The little nugget and I decide to dive into our Harry Potter craft and activity book and do the Harry Potter.
This one or this one and this one?
Oh, we're gonna make this one right here.
So you'll make this recipe by chopping up strawberries, putting them in a saucepan, and adding your water and sugar. Bringing that to a boil and then letting it simmer for a few minutes. That's gonna make like this nice, delicious, chunky strawberry base that you're gonna use for your float. The official recipe says to put this in a blender, but I was thinking that the little soup emulsifier thing, I'm not calling that the right name, would actually work just as good. I was wrong. It pretty much sprayed it all over the kitchen. So I would pour it into the blender and do the blender like the recipe recommended.
Can I have a little bit
Smell
it. It's like chocolate. That round full one.
Yep.
Oh,
Alright,
it'll chip out. Big ice cream.
Alright, put one scoop in that glass. Woo! Whoa, it is getting full. Woo! Okay. Woo!
What?
Is it gonna go? Oh no. Alright, let's do a cheers. Ready?
It's gonna pop up.
Okay, careful. Here's like this.